This video is how to update a version 1 PDM, that is any PDM that has version 1.15 or earlier firmware on the label. Using the PDM configurator version 1.15 program, we are starting from our PDM connected. We've just connected and it shows that our PDM version, which in this case is V116, does not match our PC version that we're using, which is version 1.15, which is all we're going to be using for these version 1 PDMs. We'll click OK. We'll expand our window here, and we will go to Update. We will go to step 1 and we will click Enter Update Mode. It will tell us we will enter firmware update mode upon restart. We will click OK. We will go back to Connection and we will click Disconnect. PDM is disconnected. See, we are disconnected. Then we will unplug the PDM cable. We'll wait a few seconds and then we'll plug it back in. And we'll go back and reconnect. And now that we are reconnected under firmware, we see we are in firmware update mode. So we will go back to our update tab. And now we will go down to select your file. We'll be looking for our PDM15 V115 file. Once we select it, we'll click open. You'll see it populate, and then you'll click program. This will take a little bit to finish. Now that our PDM is finished loading and updating, we need to go back and reset again. So we'll click OK. Go back to our connection tab. Once again, disconnect. Unplug the PDM. When we are unplugging the PDM, it's important that if the PDM is in a vehicle, the ignition is turned off. Any extra power to it will cause it not to cycle properly. Plug back in. We'll once again connect. You notice after a second that the firmware version changes to our 1.15 now. If it stays in firmware update mode, you're going to have to go back and update again and make sure you properly disconnect the cable, because the cable acts as a turn on for the PDM, and make sure all other power sources are disconnected from the PDM. As long as everything is done correctly, you will update properly. And once you are free to move on to whatever else you need to do.